Je veux des pommes. I want some apples. Je veux des pommes. I want some apples. Il a des questions. He has some questions. Il a des questions. He has some questions. J'ai des chats. I have some cats. J'ai des chats. I have some cats. Elle achète des fruits. She is buying some fruit. Elle achète des fruits. She is buying some fruit. Je mange des pizzas. I am eating some pizzas. Je mange des pizzas. I am eating some pizzas. Tu achètes des vêtements. You are buying clothes. Tu achètes des vêtements. You are buying clothes. Elle mange des biscuits. She is eating some cookies. Elle mange des biscuits. She is eating some cookies. Nous commandons des boissons. We are ordering some drinks. Nous commandons des boissons. We are ordering some drinks. Vous buvez des jus. You are drinking some juices. Vous buvez des jus. You are drinking some juices. J'ai des pièces de monnaie. I have some coins. J'ai des pièces de monnaie. I have some coins. Tu prends des mouchoirs. You are taking some tissues. Tu prends des mouchoirs. You are taking some tissues. Il apporte des bouteilles. He is bringing some bottles. Il apporte des bouteilles. He is bringing some bottles. Nous cherchons des stylos. We are looking for some pens. Nous cherchons des stylos. We are looking for some pens. Elles achètent des cadeaux. They are buying some gifts. Elles achètent des cadeaux. They are buying some gifts. Je fais des erreurs. I am making some mistakes. Je fais des erreurs. I am making some mistakes. Tu invites des amis. You are inviting some friends. Tu invites des amis. You are inviting some friends. Here, y a des touristes ici. There are some tourists here. Il y a des touristes ici. There are some tourists here. Nous écoutons des conseils. We are listening to some advice. Nous écoutons des conseils. We are listening to some advice. Je télécharge des applications. I am downloading some apps. Je télécharge des applications. I am downloading some apps.